The power to rise. My friends, there are moments in life when the world seems heavy, when challenges feel overwhelming, and when our dreams appear distant. In those moments, it's easy to lose hope. It's easy to wonder if all the struggles are worth it. But I want you to hear me clearly. You are capable. You are stronger than you think. And no matter how many times you fall, you always have the power to rise again. Think about the most difficult moments in your life, the ones that seemed impossible to get through. And then, think about where you are now. You've made it. You've overcome. And this is your strength. It's not about how many times we fall. Life isn't defined by the setbacks or the obstacles we face. It is defined by our ability to stand up, to keep moving, and to keep believing, even when the path is unclear, even when the road is long. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Every time you fight through fear, doubt, and uncertainty, you grow. Every moment you choose not to give up, even when you feel like you've hit your limit, you prove that the fire inside you is stronger than the storm around you. So, when you feel the weight of the world pushing you down, when it feels like you can't take another step, remember, you have survived 100% of your hardest days. You are here today, standing stronger than before. And every step you take from here, no matter how slow, is progress. You are moving forward. You are on your way to something great. Never underestimate the power within you. Your strength doesn't come from avoiding pain or hardship. It comes from facing them head on and choosing to rise. You are enough. You are capable. You are unstoppable. As Nelson Mandela said, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. A. Milne, in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. So my friends, keep moving forward. The best is yet to come.